Hi guys, today we're going to be making washing soda, and this can be used for laundry detergent, mopping solution, cleaning out your bathrooms, cleaning your counters. There's so much you can do with washing soda. I will be making different videos using this, so I'm making a big batch of it. So pretty much to make washing soda, what you need to do is take however much, measure your baking soda, however much you'll be using, you take that and you pour it into either a flat or a baking container. I'm using one of my mid-sized baking pans, and what I'm doing right now is just breaking down the big chunks just to make sure everything bakes correctly. And what we're going to do is pop this in the oven for an hour to an hour and 15 minutes depending on the size of the batch, and then we're going to let that bake, and then when we come back we're going to have washing soda. So see you soon. Okay guys, so the baking soda I baked it for about an hour and 15 minutes because I used so much, and as you can see the consistency has changed from a grainy powder to now a thin loose powder, kind of like talc powder. I still have some clumps, and that's probably because the first time I made this I put it in like a flat cookie sheet pan, and now I'm putting it in a deeper pan, so that could be why I have a little bit of clumps. But even when I break down the clumps, you'll see like they just turn into soft powder, and this is pretty much washing soda. This is what you're going to use when you're mixing in your washing soda with your borax and other ingredients to make your laundry detergent. And